Hi there, this is Steve Meyer, the market chartist for ForexTraders.com, and we're now going to take a look at both the Australian and the New Zealand dollars, both against the US dollar. So that's AUD USD and NZD USD, and both of them staying bearish despite rebound efforts we saw through last week. So the intermediate term outlook still very negative in here, starting off with Aussie dollar in here, a multi-peak topping structure in here, 5 peaks in here between August and then through into November, and the breakdown in here not only through the trend line support that comes all the way up here from the beginning of this year, but also down through this 74.38 level, completing this multi-peak topping structure in here, shifting the intermediate term outlook to more bearish, and then leaving risk lower despite this rebound effort we saw last week, the market fading at the end of last week on Friday, and we see a resumption of a more negative tone to aim for lower targets through late November at 72.84, and then into late December, into the end of the year, lower towards 71.41, 71.06, and maybe below. So we go take a look at the New Zealand dollar, similar topping structure, but in here, a head and shoulders topping structure in here, signaled again with this sell-off we saw through mid-November. That sell-off in here primarily driven by US dollar strength in here since the presidential election result, taking out the neckline to this head and shoulders pattern, taking out the low from October at 70.30, also taking out the uptrend line that comes up from this year, and all of that signaling a more negative shift. Again, risk into late November is 69.48 through into early December and into the end of the year. We're looking at 68.00, maybe as deep as 66.76, 66.64 targets for year end. This has been Steve Meyer, the market chartist on behalf of ForexTraders.com, and I wish you a great trading week.